right, it's time for a very quick review of the Polygonal Lasso tool. This tool is in both Photoshop and Photopea. Recall that to make the marching ants go away, you use deselect, Control-D. Clicking and holding, we can choose the Polygonal Lasso tool. It has a different appearance than the normal lasso tool and it functions differently. However, we can still use the new selection, add or subtract buttons up at the top. So the best way to use this lasso is to click one time to get started. That puts down a point. It's kind of like a rubber band. And then click to the second point or somewhere on your line and click and click and click. And technically it's putting down little points. You can't visually see them, but if it puts down a point, say over there where you don't need it, all you have to do is press backspace and wiggle your mouse backwards to back up in the progression of those points. Once again, with this tool, you can add or subtract from the selection, simply going to the proper icon. So once we get to where it started, we click to finish off the selection. Again, we can come up to subtraction mode, or we can hold down the Alt key and then select areas that need to be removed from that selection. Again, you want to start where you finished, or finish where you started, or double click close to the beginning, and it will seal that off. And that is a quick rundown of the Polygonal Lasso.